Hey guys, Alexeja here, and today I have a new video for you guys today. Today I wanted to recreate Melanie Martinez's look from her Dollhouse video. I bought a few things off of Amazon, and I already have the base on my face. That's why I look like a ghost. So that way we can just get straight into this after I tell you what we got. So I have the wig. It's the purple, pink, black split dyed hair with the bow on top. I got that off of Amazon. I will leave that in the description below. I found this dress. Hang on, I'm trying to get it. I found this dress as well. It is not exactly like the one from the Dollhouse video, but it is pretty close. So I figured it's close enough that I can use it to cosplay her. Now, the reason why I decided to cosplay her is because when I did my doll makeup back in Halloween, I had a lot of people tell me that I looked just like Melanie Martinez from her Dollhouse video. So it's just like, well, might as well just actually cosplay it. So today I want to recreate it and actually make it. So I have my James Charles palette, my Jeffree Star Blood Sugar, and my Jeffree Star Alien palette. I'm going to kind of use all three of them to create the eye look I want, and I want to create the doll sockets on my arms as well. The eye look, I don't have glitter or anything because in her video the tops of her lids are like really glittery. I'm allergic to a lot of glitter, so I kind of have to be careful with that. So I'm going to use Pluto in the Alien palette so I can get that shimmer without being allergic to it. So it's kind of like a dark purple crease and then a lighter pink and then a white sparkly lid. So we have that, and I have my exaggerated eyelashes. We're going to use that, and let's get straight into this Melanie Martinez Dollhouse look. I'll see you guys at the end of it.
Hey girl, look at my mom, she's got it going on. Ha, you're blinded by her jewelry. When you turn your back, she pulls out a flask and forgets his infidelity. Uh-oh, she's coming to the attic. Plastic, go back to being plastic. No one ever listens, this wallpaper glistens. One day they'll see what goes down in the kitchen. Places, places, get your places. Throw on your dress and put on your own faces. Everyone thinks that we're perfect. Please don't let them look through the curtains. Picture, picture, smile for the picture. Pose with your brother, won't you be a good sister? Everyone thinks that we're perfect. Please don't let them look through the curtains. Solstis, I see things that nobody else sees. Solstis, I see things that nobody else things that nobody else sees. I see things that nobody else. I think I just remembered something. I think I left the faucet running. Mama, would you fill in oven tub? Calling you just soaking in it, but I know you'll get out the minute you notice all your fingers burning up. I'm tired of being careful, tender, trying to keep the water warm. Let me under your skin. Oh, there goes the sense you mentioned overflowed. How we spill. I feel it coming on my throat. Guess I better wash my mouth out with soap. God, I wish I never spoke. Now I gotta wash my mouth out with soap. I feel it coming on my throat. Guess I better wash my mouth soap. Myself in trouble, so I'll fill the bath with bubbles. Then I'll put the towels all away. Should've never said the word love. Threw a toaster in the bathtub. I'm sick of all the games I have to play. I'm tired of being careful, tender, trying to keep the water warm. Let me under your skin. Oh, there goes a sense you mentioned overflowed. Why do I always spill? I feel it coming on my throat. Guess I better wash my mouth out with soap.
Okay guys, so that is the completed Melanie Martinez Dollhouse look. I really enjoyed creating this look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for any more cosplay, hair related, or any other weird things that I do. My name's Alexeja, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
I better watch